Okay, so we're having a look at the next weekly Forex market review. First one that we're looking at is gold. On this I'm looking at a short because of this area right here. This could be quite a long-term trade just due to it being on the weekly and how the trade might not actually get taken out straight away. It could be a few weeks until it actually gets taken. Go into the 4 hour and you can see that's what I'm expecting to happen. Anything like that is going to be good. I'll probably be waiting until the 14th or the 15th of December to actually take the trade, just to make sure that it is actually going to go where I'm looking for it to go. The RSI on the weekly has been overbought here at this area, and is actually coming straight back up to that area now. So yeah, it's looking like a good trade, to be honest. I'm not looking for a massive trade in terms of profit, just looking at a 3-to-1 trade. This is the only trade that I'm looking at this week. I went over it in the blog in a little bit more detail, looking about the fundamentals and the COT reports that have come out for gold at the moment. And I go into more detail in terms of the fundamentals and where the overall market is on the blog. If we go on to GBP AUD, this was a trade that I was having a look at last week, and it actually reversed from the 38.2 mark and didn't come down to the 50, so I'm hoping that next week it'll maybe come down and I can get into that. GBP CAD, it looked like it was a good trade last few weeks, but maybe it's a continuation trade, maybe, I don't know, not getting into that though. GBP NZD, again, didn't come down to the area that I'm looking at. GBP JPY, it's reversed here actually. That could have been a nice trade a few weeks ago, but missed that. GBP USD, same, came up, touched. That could have been a nice trade actually if I got in there. Missed that. Euro AUD, in this one at the moment. So yeah, nice trade there. Euro GBP, not in. Euro JPY, not currently in that. Euro CAD, Euro NZD. I'm waiting for that one to come down to this area. Took a small trade there. Euro USD, same. There was a nice trade on the weekly, right there. A short trade. You'd still be in that one though. You might have got stopped out on that large wick, to be honest. USD CAD, nothing. So USD JPY, not going to be getting into this. It's broken down, but it could be a trade in a few weeks, but again, it's in a wedge, so not looking at that. If it breaks out higher, then possibly looking at taking a trade, but nothing at the moment. Gold's the only one I'm actually having a look at for next week or the week after. That's everything. So if you want to have a look at the gold trade in more detail, head over to the blog and you can have a look at that over there.